Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It's Sunday, so that means it's time for another week's weigh-in. So I recorded a lot. I have a really bad headache, and that was the best intro I could do. Yeah. So I have a bad headache, so I'm going to make this video really short, because honestly, the more I talk, the worse it's getting. But I do want to put this video out there because I am happy this week. So going straight into the numbers. All right, so I stepped on the scale, and I am now 295.6. So that means I lost 0.6 pounds this week for a grand total of 81.2 pounds off of this body since I started. So even with a smaller loss this week, I am still very happy that I am able to still be down 81.2 pounds. 81.2. I don't know. I'm starting to be impressed by my own numbers now. And so with that, you guys know I've been doing my mini goals. So my first mini goal is honestly, they're just every 5 pounds. So the next goal would be to get to 294.6, which means I've got 1 pound to go. That's easy. That's exciting. I haven't even gotten in what I ordered for my last 5 pound mini goal, which is a shirt. But anyway, so that's that goal. And then Dogwoods. Dogwoods is a camping trip that I'm doing in September. I want to be in a lot better shape for that. There's a lot of hills and steepness and blah, blah, blah. So to get to that, my goal for that is 249.1. When I set that goal, it was so that I would, on average, lose 1.5 pounds per week. And so I am now 46.5 pounds away from that. And I rechecked the math because it's about 33 weeks away. And I'm still on track if I lose, on average, 1.5 pounds a week. So I might not have had a 1.5 pound loss this week, but next week I could lose like 2 pounds. Or say I continue with the slower losses. 1, it's a loss, not a gain, so it's a win. And 2, this 249.1 pounds that I gave myself as a goal for Dogwoods, it's just a number I made up. It's just like most of our goal weights and goal things are just numbers we made up. So if I'm close to it, cool. If I'm not, it's okay. I will openly admit, obviously, I do want to be at that or surpass that. I really would love to lose more than 0.6 pounds a week, but I also know your body does what your body does. And I know that I ate properly. There was times this week that I didn't have enough water. There were times this week that I didn't get my exercise in. That was basically one day because I was actually too sore from the day before. And that's basically the only spots that I really, like, quote unquote, messed up, which I don't really call a mess up. I call it life. And yeah, so that's all that happened this week. Sorry, this video's I'm not gonna talk anymore because it's not gonna make sense because of my head. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this super short video. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will talk to you all later.